tummy trail. So today I'm going to make grilled chicken in my oven. So let's get started. 1 cup yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can use normal curd and strain the water. Here are all my ingredients. I've taken 2 chicken legs, salt for taste, 1 piece of ginger, tandoori masala, 1 lime, 1 bowl of yogurt and 10 pieces of garlic. The first thing that we're going to do is slitting the chicken so that the marination seeps in. As you can see here, I've slit the chicken. I will first marinate this with salt and lime. The acid in the lime will make the chicken tender. I'm now marinating this with ginger garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste as well, but I prefer using fresh ginger garlic. Here's the tandoori masala. Now I'm adding the yogurt. Marinate the chicken well. Keep the chicken aside and let it get marinated for 30 minutes. I am preheating the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now it's time to grill the chicken. I'm now greasing the grill. And now I'm placing the chicken on the grill. I'm also adding little butter on top now. Butter will make the chicken juicy. I'm cooking the chicken now at 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. If you like my video, do hit the subscribe button below and stay tuned.